This video will show you why and how to create an account in Learning Express Library. Learning Express Library is a database that has online interactive materials to help learners succeed in school and the workplace. In Learning Express Library, you will find test preparation, tutorials, skill practice sets, eBooks, and more. Creating a free account will allow you to access their materials, take practice tests, and track your progress. To get to Learning Express Library, we will start at the UHV Library homepage, which is located at library.uhv.edu. Go to our Databases icon, sort to L, and then click on Learning Express Library. If you're off campus, you will get a login screen where you will need to log in with your Blackboard or Pirate Portal credentials. This is not the same thing as a Learning Express Library account. Once in Learning Express Library, you will be able to search for tests, tutorials, ebooks, and more, as well as explore their curated collections. To make an account, click on Sign In/Register. Click on Register and fill out your information. It will ask for a student ID and course section, but you can leave them blank. Once you're finished filling out your information, click Register. Your center will allow you to see what resources you have used and keeps track of your progress. If you have any questions about how to use Learning Express Library or what resources you can find in it, please contact the library for help.